Hi there, and a warm welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Cheshire Oaks. My name's Cameron. I'm the technician working on the vehicle today. Part of the work that we're carrying out on the vehicle, I've also carried out a visual health check. During this video, I'd just like to take a few minutes of your time just to show you the underneath of the vehicle and what work's been identified. If we head over to the passenger side front tyre, from inner to outer, it is on 3.9, 3.3, 3.5. That is an amber on the health check, as it's below 3.5 millimetres. Because it's an amber, I advise a re-inspection around 2 months' time, obviously depending on mileage. And in these weather conditions, with the wet roads and icy roads, I would also advise that obviously with the lower the tyre gets, also that it will affect your stopping distance. Suspension is all visually okay there. The bottom arm is all visually fine. As you can see, no signs of any damage, so that's all visually okay. Drop link, again, all visually fine along with the CV boot. The strut and the spring itself, again, visually all in good condition. Your brakes, moving over now to the brakes. As you can see there, pads and this are all visually okay at this moment in time, but the pads are slightly low. As you can see, they're reading around 5mm wet thickness of pad. As you can see there, around 5mm. Again, in these weather conditions, it would affect your stopping distance. It would increase it. The discs are starting to lip, so I would advise a re-inspection around 3 months' time, obviously depending on mileage, before the brake wear warning light comes on. Suspension components and steering components on the driver's side, again, are all visually okay there. As you can see, the bottom arm itself is all visually fine, along with the drop link, strut and spring itself. CV boot again is also in good condition. The tyre is on 4, 3.8, 4.1. That's all visually okay at this moment in time. Your front brakes, again, are starting to get low, as you can see there. Discs are starting to lip. I'd advise a re-inspection in around 4 months' time, obviously depending on mileage, just to check the condition again of the discs. We make our way down towards the rear of the vehicle. The exhaust system is all visually okay, nice and secure, no signs of any concerns there. All in place. Rear spring, all visually okay, along with the rest of the suspension. That's on the passenger side rear. The tyre is on 5.5, 5.4, 5.4. So that again, that's visually all okay. Your rear brakes on the passenger side, as you can see there, all visually in good condition. Get the measuring tool in there. As you can see, just above 5mm. So they're all visually okay at this moment in time. Pads and discs are visually all okay. Move over now to the driver's side, where again, the rear spring is all visually in good condition, along with the strut itself. The rest of the steering, the rest of the spring components again are visually all okay. The tyre again is on 5.6, 5.5, 5.5, so that's all visually in good condition. Again, the brakes reading just above 5mm, pads and discs are visually all okay at this moment in time. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for choosing Mercedes-Benz of Cheshire Oaks. I hope you have an enjoyable day, and your service advisor Dominic will be in touch shortly.